about a shiny and magical shape. It has 5 points. It looks just like something we see in the sky. It's the star. Let's say it together, star. Are you ready to see star-shaped things around us? Let's go. Star in the sky. Look up. Twinkle, twinkle. Stars shine bright in the night sky. They have 5 points, just like our star shape. Magic wand star. Wow, a magic wand. Many wands have a star on the top. It looks cute and sparkly. Star badge. Look, a star badge. Police badges, award stickers, and medals often have star shapes. Stars mean you did a great job. Party decoration star. At birthday parties, we see shiny star decorations. Stars make parties look fun and beautiful. Star cookie. Yummy, a star cookie. Some cookies are also made in star shapes. Crunchy and cute. Wow, superstar learners. Let's repeat what star things we saw today. Star in the sky. Magic wand star. Star badge. Party star decoration. Star cookie. Stars are everywhere around us. Keep looking, keep learning, and keep shining bright like a star. See you next time. Bye-bye.